Hey guys, it's Frosh here. Today we are going to be reviewing and giving the specs of the Infinix Note 7. If this is your first time here, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you won't miss out on any of our videos. We drop the latest reviewing, unboxing and comparison videos. Also, make sure you watch this video to the very end because we'll be reviewing some additional features about the phone you will definitely not expect. Okay then, let's get started. The Infinix Note 7 is a phone that was launched on April 2020 this year, and the phone has been gaining a lot of ground and attention due to its new, modern and futuristic design and also its high-end specifications. So now let's get into the specs. The Infinix Note 7, along the series of Infinix Note mobile devices, is the predecessor to the Infinix Note 6. And there are quite some huge differences between the two which are highly notable. The body of the Infinix Note 7 dimensions are 173.4 by 79 by 8.8 mm, and that's a little thick for high-end phones nowadays. The weight comes at 206 grams, which is a little bit quite heavier than recent phones coming out. It supports dual SIM and one micro SD card slot. Now let's move on to the display of the Infinix Note 7. The display of the Infinix Note 7 is 6.95 inches and the screen is an LCD capacitive touchscreen which displays about 16 million colors, or as Infinix would like to call it, an IPS Infinity O display. The size of the display is 720 by 1640 pixels and the resolution is 20.5:9 aspect ratio, which has 480 nits. Now going on to the platform of the device. The Infinix Note 7 runs on Android 10.0 and also XOX 6.0, which is the custom Android version for Infinix with those who are familiar with it. It runs on an octa-core MediaTek Helio G70 12 Nm. Now moving on to the memory of the Infinix Note 7. The Infinix Note 7 comes at 3 different memory ranges. There is the 4GB RAM range, which comes with 2 different ROMs. So there is the 4GB RAM, which comes with a 64GB ROM, and then there is also the 4GB RAM, which comes with a 128GB ROM, and then there is also the 6GB ROM, which comes with a 128GB ROM, and the phone supports up to 2TB of memory card storage. Now moving on to the camera of the Infinix Note 7. One of the key features that makes the Infinix Note 7 stand out is the new design of the camera, which looks more like a Motorola or a Nokia design. It is a quad rear camera which comes with 4 rear cameras and coming in different ranges of micropixels. There's the 48 megapixel, which is for the wide lens, coming also with another 2 megapixel for macro lens, another 2 megapixel for depth, and another 2 megapixel dedicated for video recording. The front camera of the Infinix Note 7 is a 16MP front camera, which is quite a bummer because other phone series of the Infinix, such as the S5 and S4, comes with 32MP front camera, but the Note 7 comes with a 16MP front camera, which is also quite decent. Now, the battery of the Note 7 is quite one to look out to. It comes with 18 watt fast charging capacity, so it's charged highly fast, and the battery is a 5000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery, which is quite an outstanding feature for such a phone. Now, that basically wraps up the specs of the Infinix Note 7, but there are still some additional features which are really incredible and that we are just starting to see in some phones. It comes with a fingerprint sensor which is not at the back of the phone, nor at the front of the phone or on the screen, but on the side of the phone. It is a side mounted fingerprint sensor which is located at where the power button is, which is quite incredible. As expected, it comes with a face unlock, and it also comes with a DTS audio dual speaker volume, which is quite incredible and quite loud for those who like streaming their videos loudly. And it also comes with gesture control. In Nigeria, the price range for the Infinix Note 7 is within the range of 78,000 to 89,500 naira for the different memory capacities, while in Kenya the range is about 20,000 to 25,000 Kenya shilling. Then in Ghana the price range is about 650 to 700 Ghana cedis. Well, that wraps it up for the Infinix Note 7 review and specs. Make sure you leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.